Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, we will share with you those mistakes that people made while doing network marketing business. All those mistakes that people often make are inadvertently that are hard to bear for any networker. Everyone should update their strategies and way of entertaining their customers today in this very competitive world. One should work with different approaches. So, we'll share with you such essential points that you might know, but you are not executing them properly in your business. But before moving ahead, would like to inform you that this video is also available in Hindi language. So, if you wanted to see this video in Hindi, then you have two options. First, you can search on YouTube tegonity.com and you can go and see the video, and second option is that the link of that video is available in the description box of this video, so you can check out that very video from the description box. So now let's come back to the point, and the first biggest mistake that people made while doing network marketing business is that they do the things their own way. Maybe you all remembered that in childhood, most of the children do not like to study and sometimes they start complaining about it to their parents. They do so because they do not aware that how studies are important for someone's mental growth. Students oftentimes ask why can't they solve these and those maths problems that way. But later on, when we grew up, and start understanding the importance and power of education, and though we had laughter on our childishness. And same has happened in the network marketing business. If you wanted to get success here, but at the same time you are not obeying the system and you are not listening to your mentors and your uplines the way they told you to work like, then for sure you have to face failures. And one day you will feel regret of your doings. So stop putting your head into the business. Instead, try to understand the beauty of the system and work ethically with the proven methods. And now we'll talk about the second mistake, that people ignores the education system. As we just talked before about the mindlessness, people do not understand the worth of anything until it became a part of the history. And we also know that education is the key to unlock the golden doors of freedom. Even after knowing this, people try to take shortcuts for their long-term dreams and ignoring the education system. That is why it is important to stay focused, put your heart, brain into the education system and do the things rightly. Now we'll come to the third point, and the third mistake that people made is people are not doing it, they are just trying it. There are two ways to do any work. One is with willingness and second is doing it with compulsion. So now you should question yourself that why you are getting enrolled with network marketing business. Why don't you get desired results? Is doing network marketing business is important to you? Network marketing business works as an important task for almost everyone because people wanted to achieve that legendary life what they ever dreamed of. But if you have joined network marketing industry only to try your luck, then you will never be successful because madness is required here to get great things. So now the fourth point comes, and fourth mistake that people usually did is overcommitment and motivation. Many people when join at the beginning with a new business opportunity, they sometimes create a wrong perception that now they only have to work for 3 to 4 months, and after that their small house will be converted into a big bungalow and the Mustang will replace the two-wheeler scooter. It is not wrong to think like that, but the time you are taking for yourself is just not enough. It takes time to achieve the great things and targets and beyond reality. When people themselves starts believing in such things, then they start telling all those things to other people also. So in such situation, people who are practical do not believe you what you said, and those people who do not think much and believed you, they hold on your words, and after 3 to 4 months, as you said, they start questioning to you and became rude to you. So now think about what kind of commitments you should make with people and motivate them only when they want some motivation. You have to understand that only motivation will not work here. You should have a working blueprint ready with you. Now come to the fifth point, and the next mistake done by people is carrying inconsistent behavior. We all heard that the key to success is consistency. And that is true enough. And surely you must also know that your desire and sustainability brings resolution, and resolution with your hard work brings you success. So to get succeed in any work, it is very important to do it continuously and repeatedly. You are wise enough so you can decide for yourself that it is good for any person to do half an hour workout daily or only for 9 hours continuously in a day. You know what is better, and as doing workout daily for half an hour will bring you desired results, whereas working out for 9 hours continuously without rest will make you sick. So be consistent towards your work to get better results. Now come to the sixth point, and the sixth mistake is arguing. We often see that a person who is sensible avoids arguments with anyone because the reason for arguing is just to prove yourself right. People who are rationalists often wants to get an emotional response from your side. And while talking to someone related to your business, you need to keep your emotions under control. So try to not show them that they are annoying you and made you angry. In fact, try to maintain some distance with those. Oftentimes, whenever two networkers met, both of them start debating to prove their company to be the best and start trying to embarrass each other, which is completely wrong. Because we are in such an industry where relationship matters the most, and arguing with each other can completely ruin the relationship. That is why we should work on relationship building so that we could benefit more and more people from this industry. And the seventh mistake which people usually make, that stop depending on others, that people start depending on others. One mistake many representatives make is that they focus only on their friends and families and eventually exhausted their customer base. In the beginning, family and friends either purchase products from you, but instead of going and trying to book their friends and expand your circle, you may forget your booking talks and focus only on your sales. You must be self-reliant for your business. You must trust your team members, but should not completely dependent on them that your payouts will be made only when they make sales, right? Now, the last but not least, eighth mistake that people often make is people ignore the process of list building. In today's time, data is everything. To understand this thing, please have a look over this clip. It's the largest data. You know that Google has the most data because in today's time we all uses Gmail, and with the help of Gmail, Google collects a lot of data. In the same way, we do have data from social media handles and from our contact list, etc. But people are not able to use it properly because a lot of people do not know how to filter data, analyzing the data, and use the data in the correct direction. And the biggest reason for this is we consider everyone as our prospect and start adding them to our list, due to which you would have to face more rejections at the time of invitations. I think you will be able to relate to what I said. And we all know that the network marketing business starts with the list building. So if you are mistaken in the very process of list building, then you will get the wrong people to join in your network marketing business, and after a while you will come back to the point where you have started from. So if you think that you are an expert in list building, then it's very good. But if there is a doubt somewhere and you are in the learning phase, then Tegonity.com has designed an ebook with the title List Building, the Ultimate Formula for you to solve all these problems. This book will be a perfect tool for you with which you will get to know data analysis, data collection, data filtration, and even such untold topics. And there is nothing like that you took the book and you have ignited everything. You have to read it carefully and you have to implement things to get the results. So if you wanted to check the ebook, then check out the link given in the description box of this video. And I hope you will keep in mind all these points and will be able to achieve new goals, because these mistakes create a negative image of yours. So you should avoid them. So if you had some questions in your head, then feel free to ask and leave us your comment below. And if you like this video and the information, then hit the like button and do share this video with your team members so they do not also do such mistakes. See you soon with some more interesting topics like this. So make sure to smash the subscribe button and tap to the bell icon to not miss the very next upload. This is Divya from Trigonity Academy. Catch you soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Jai Hind.